أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وكأين من قرية عتت عن أمر ربها ورسله فحاسبناها حسابا شديدا وعذبناها عذابا نكرا فذاقت وبال أمرها وكان عاقبة أمرها خسرا. أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب الذين آمنوا قد أنزل الله إليكم ذكرا رسولا يتلو عليكم آيات الله مبينات ليخرج الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من الظلمات إلى النور ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا قد أحسن الله له رزقا. الله الذي خلق 7 سماوات ومن الأرض مثلهن يتنزل الأمر بينهن لتعلموا أن الله على كل شيء قدير وأن الله قد أحاط بكل شيء علما.
And how many a city was insolent toward the command of its Lord and his messengers, so we took it to severe account and punished it with a terrible punishment. And it tasted the bad consequence of its affair, and the outcome of its affair was loss. Allah has prepared for them a severe punishment, so fear Allah, O you of understanding who have believed. Allah has sent down to you the Quran. He sent a messenger, Muhammad, reciting to you the distinct verses of Allah that he may bring out those who believe and do righteous deeds from darknesses into the light. And whoever believes in Allah and does righteousness, he will admit him into gardens beneath which rivers flow to abide therein forever. Allah will have perfected for him a provision. It is Allah who has created 7 heavens and of the earth, the like of them. His command descends among them so you may know that Allah is over all things competent and that Allah has encompassed all things in knowledge.
قرآنا عربيا غير ذي عوج لعلهم يتقون.
It is an Arabic Quran without any deviance that they might become righteous.